Hi guys, so we have pumpkin guts and seeds and all kinds of stuff. So Raccoon just carved his first pumpkin and we have a lot of seeds. So I thought, I don't have this very often. This will be a good opportunity to show you guys how to roast some pumpkin seeds, or at least how I do it, and we did it growing up. They're tasty, they're fun, and it's a good activity on Halloween. I know it's Halloween now, so maybe this will be for the future. All right, you guys, let me check this out. We got our seeds over here. I've got a pan with some foil and I've got a towel, and so I'm going to show you guys how I clean them in the sink, and then I put them on the towel to dry because I like them to be dry, and then I put a little bit of oil and salt on them. So let me switch around here so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so the first thing I do is take out all the big chunks. These were the eyes and everything in there, and just try to check for seeds. All this will go to the compost. Just throw that to the side. And now you can see there's lots of seeds in here. So then I just kind of squeeze it between my hands, and all the pumpkin seeds usually come out when you squeeze it. They're stuck together with a little membrane, like that. You squeeze them, you can see the membrane comes off and the seeds are there. Oh, lost one. Just try to keep going. Okay, so we got most of the fibers and most of the big chunks out of here. Just trying to get these last couple, and then we're going to wash these. So try not to use too much water because we're in a drought in California. Now remember, this is pumpkin. It's not going to hurt you if there's any of the orange part in there. It just makes better seeds if there's not. If you still feel like you got membranes, I just squeeze it, and usually they pop off.
Just pick up the big chunks, it's a lot less slimy. The good thing is the seeds float.
Alright, then I go usually about a handful at a time. Just give them a little rinse. Then I put them on a towel. And once your test for OCD is over, you can dump out your water. Ta-da! And I'm going to dry out the bowl. Boom! Dry bowl. Alright, I put bake 350, turned on the oven, it just kicked on. We're just going to heat that up and we'll be right back to put those in. Okay, so here's our seeds. They're just on a towel. I just try to get them a little bit drier than they were. Get them all in there. The drier they are, I find that the crispier they get, and I like them crispy. So I'm just gonna pat them dry, roll them around a little bit. Don't have to be super dry, just try to get some of the moisture off. Bum, ba, da, bum. All right, now take our super deluxe bowl here, put them in the bowl. And you can see usually you get some pieces of pumpkin left on the towel, which is good because it's not in the seeds. All right, let me give you a little closer look here. There you go. All right, we'll do this one-handed. So I just add to this a little bit of oil, maybe 2 teaspoons. And just a little bit of sea salt. And give it a toss. Now you're cooking. All right, and then I just dump them out. Onto the board and spread them around. Okay, we're going to pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to stir them around and give them another 10 minutes and see how they are. I'm looking for a light golden brown, and also the salt will start to crystallize and it'll look really delicious. Not sure how long these will take. Yours may take a little longer, they may take a little less. But after 10 minutes, check them every 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want them to burn. You just want to keep them from sticking to each other and get a little bit brown. All right, let's put them in the oven. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Not much change, but gonna give them a stir. Just give them a little stir. All right, put them back in for 10 more minutes. Ho, 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 ho. Holy Batman. Look at our seeds, nice and golden brown. They smell delicious like popcorn. All right, let these cool down for just a minute. And now I've got a nice little dish. And the oven's screaming at me. Tell me your guests wouldn't enjoy that. All right, let's give it a taste. It is a moment you've been waiting. It is a moment you've been waiting for. Woo! All right, you guys, look what I've got here. Oh, the precious. So excited. Oh, that smells so nutty and good. And can you guys see the salt crystals? Mmm, really good. Crunchy, you can hear the crunch. Mmm. All right, you guys, you saw. Super easy to make, it just takes a little time to clean the seeds. That's the hardest part of this recipe. I hope you guys are having a good Halloween. Enjoy your pumpkin seeds. And remember, you can keep doing pumpkins all through the seasons. It doesn't have to just be on Halloween. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye. I'll put it down so we can see you. Down, down, there. Now I can see you. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. This is EudaemoniusMarkII. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the pumpkin seeds.